In the silent chambers of ancient Egypt, behind veils of incense and gold, queens guarded a secret. Not a spell, not a potion, but a recipe, a forbidden ritual of food, believed to defy time itself. Nefertiti, the queen whose beauty echoed through centuries, was said to drink wine made from rare blue grapes harvested under the moonlight. This elixir, rich in sacred resveratrol, was her temple's most guarded treasure. Mixed with wild honey from date palms and a drop of black fig oil, the drink was more than pleasure. It was transformation. It slowed the body's decay and whispered to the gods. Queen Hatshepsut, the pharaoh in female form, revered the golden apple of Dendera, a fruit we now know as the pomegranate. Its blood-red seeds symbolized eternal rebirth and were consumed at sunrise with silent prayers. Cleopatra's morning began not with bread, but with soaked almonds, crushed lotus seeds, and drops of moringa oil. These nourished her skin from within, and legend says, kept Roman eyes spellbound. These women didn't eat to survive. They consumed symbols. Each ingredient was chosen for its alchemy. Dates for sweetness of speech, saffron for fire of spirit, fenugreek for memory of the soul. Eating was a ritual, guided by lunar phases and temple chants. Meals were offered in silence, not to fill the stomach, but to align with divine cycles of time, beauty, and death. One fragment of a papyrus found near Luxor lists a sequence of offerings for the skin of eternity. Historians dismissed it as poetry, but some believe it was a real recipe, written in code. Why did the queen's recipe vanish? Perhaps it was buried with them. Or perhaps, too powerful to survive, it dissolved into myth. Only traces remain, like perfume in an empty jar. Their youth is gone, their temple's dust, but their secrets still breathe through whispers of pomegranate, wine, and honey. Want to hear more ancient truths the world has forgotten? Subscribe and let the past feed your curiosity.